You ready?
Recording.
Alright, so define why you're here. Define the purpose of the video.
Hi everyone, it's Mark. We're doing a presentation today on the Euro US. We're looking at the weekly chart and where our strategy for trading is with the trend. We're looking at our recent bars and where to place the pending orders, and we're just going through a 15-minute presentation on how we're doing that.
Okay, so where would you, what if you're looking at this, first of all, which direction is it going?
Down.
Down?
So.
Sell?
Yeah, recent two bars indicate the downtrend.
Yep, so you've got two lower lows on the previous candles, which are now indicating that you're now coming to the down. Right, so you want to now place pending orders to the sell. So where would you now look at? Now, first question is, are you going in at market or are you going to do pending orders?
Trading the weekly chart,
Yep.
I'd trade. I'd put in pending orders.
Right. Right, so where is a good point for you to start putting your trades in, Mark?
Not too close to the open of the next candle.
So would you go about there?
Yeah, I'd leave a bit of a fudge factor, so
All
20,
right.
30 pips, something like that.
So roughly you'd come in 30 pips or so below the low of the previous candle. Can't see that. Right, so there's somewhere where you're likely to put your pending orders in.
Yep.
Now, looking at that, we now need a target. How far would we like it to, where would we project our take profits to be?
I'd be looking at the next level of resistance.
Yep. So tell me when to stop.
Stop.
So do you think that's too close? Or would you come down to there?
I'd be looking at a is it average?
Alright.
Isn't an average distance?
Alright, so somewhere about there would be good?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's where we would like to come down to. Now, that now gives us our target for our pending orders. Now, how many pips is that? That is currently 241 pips, correct?
Yes.
Right, so we've got trades now that are going in 90 pip lots because we're doing the euro, because we still got the four legs, one trade for 30, one trade for 40, one trade for 50, and one trade for 90. Right? So the question now is this: how many lots of trades do we now put in here?
Well, we're allowing 8% of our equity.
Yep.
Divided by 4 for each leg.
Yeah, so what I'm mainly now interested in is how many blocks are we putting in? Are we going to put in, what I'm thinking, Mark, is this: are we putting in 2 blocks of 90, or are we going to put in 3 blocks of 90? And if we put in 3 blocks of 90, the chances are we're going to be spiked in, aren't we?
Yeah, that's true.
Because we need at least 280 to put the three lots in.
Yeah, it's a good question. I'd for clarity and ease of attaining a target.
Yep.
I'd put in the 2.
Alright, so we would now put in 2 blocks of our 90 pips in between those spaces there.
Correct.
Right, so that would then mean we would then be going for 190 pips out of that 240. Alright, Andrew,
Yes.
you happy with that?
Yep. Very happy.
Do you have any other thoughts on that? Like, would you go 2 pips, or would you go 2 lots or 3 lots?
Well, I've got trades already based on last week's indicators.
Yep.
To come down to 30764.
Right, so you got it to come down further than that anyhow.
Yeah, but if you're just looking at what's indicating now,
yep,
it's a little bit different to last week. But I've still got trades in from last week at 30 to come out at 30764.
All right. So are you still happy with those trades?
Yeah.
All right. Annette, would you do 2 blocks or would you do 3 blocks?
2.
2. All right. So our approach is that we're going to now go over and do our M trades. We're going to put in 2 blocks of 90. And they will now be put in on Monday morning. Now, a person now has $1,000. Define how many lot sizes is going on to every trade, Mark.
$1,000 balance at 8%.
8%, yeah.
We're putting on 4 legs.
Yep.
And then you divide 4 into 8%.
Yep.
Which would give us 0.02
Per lot size.
Lots.
Yeah, per lot size per trade.
Yep.
Now, we will not be increasing the lot sizes until all the trades come out. So why are we doing that?
We're doing that because it's manageable.
Yep. All right. So that's our trades that we're looking at for the week. Now, are we happy with those? Any further comments on those?
No.
Annette?
As you said, strictly the 8%.
Strictly 8%. All right. Just
Yep, got it.
keep it at 8%. All right.
So 8%, and once the trades come in,
yep,
we do not trade anymore.
Yep.
And if the trades are still in, we then can leave them in for a further 2 weeks.
Yep.
And at that stage, we then cut our trades and start the process over again.
So any of these trades that now go in here on Monday, if they're not in profit by the 4th of March, we will be cutting these trades and we'll be cancelling everything. Right?
That's right.
So that is basically how we're going to find the euro. So do we have any last questions on that one?
No.
No.
All right. Press the stop button, Mark.